We'll perform hand hygiene and close the curtain for privacy. Hello, Mr. Attell. My name is Bessie. I'll be your nurse today.
Hello.
Can I see your wristband to confirm your name and date of birth?
Yep.
Can you please tell me your name and date of birth?
Ronnie Andrew Ertel, January 21st, 1987.
Thank you, Mr. Ertel. We're going to be doing some exercises today by getting up and walking, okay?
Okay.
I'll be assisting you walking. This is a gait belt. It's going to help me assist you walk by keeping you stable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it around you, and I want you to rock 3 times. And on the 3rd rock, you're going to use your hands to push yourself off the bed. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to your weaker side. Can you please confirm which side is your weaker side?
That's my left side.
Your left side, okay. After I put the gait belt on you and we stand up, I'm going to move to your left side and we're going to do some walking, okay?
All right.
First, let me put some skid-safe footwear on you and your gown. Now I'm going to adjust the belt to make sure it fits you. Okay, the belt is nice and snug. I can put my hand still through it, but it's still secure. Okay, Mr. Ertel, we're going to rock, and on the 3rd rock, I want you to use your hands and stand up, okay?
Yep.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to move to your left side to support you on your weaker side. Are you feeling dizzy?
No.
Okay, and you're not feeling lightheaded?
No.
Okay, that's good. I want you to keep your head up and look forward. We're going to take a few steps. Okay. Let's turn back around. I want you to step back to the bed and make sure you can feel it with your legs.
Feel it.
Okay, let's have a seat. You feeling okay?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to remove the gait belt. Now remove your skid-safe footwear and your gown. Are you feeling comfortable, Mr. Ertel?
I am.
Okay. I will wash my hands and document the event. Done.